Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Cadillac XT6 key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding the button, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the fob. Set the emergency key aside in a safe place, as you will need it again later for reassembly. This initial step is crucial for accessing the internal components. Next, carefully examine the key fob for a narrow groove, typically located near where the emergency key was housed. Take a small, flathead screwdriver and insert its tip into this groove. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the internal components. Now that the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. The Cadillac XT6 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery, perhaps using your small screwdriver. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces down into the compartment. This ensures proper electrical contact. Finally, it is time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place, indicating a tight seal. Once the casing is closed, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly. Test your key fob to ensure all functions are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.